In Welsh oral tradition, a Gwyllgi is a form of Hellhound, a fearful apparition resembling a huge mastiff with baleful breath and blazing red eyes which shine like fire in the night. Its name comes from the Welsh Gwyllt, meaning twilight, or gloom, or possibly Gwyllt, meaning wild, and Gi, meaning dog, as in the Welsh dog breed Corgi. A Gwyllgi is often referred to as the dog of darkness, or the black hound of destiny. The Welsh regarded it as the devil himself, haunting lonely Welsh roads at night, preying on unsuspecting travellers. The fearsome beast was described as being larger than a steed 9 winters old, and capable of burning down trees with its breath. Simply seeing one could paralyse you with fear. There are many documented sightings of the beast on lonely roads throughout Wales, but they are particularly concentrated in the northeast of Wales, specifically around the Nantagarth Pass near Llandegla in Denbighshire, where it seemed to have a vast hunting ground, extending as far as Gwyll near the border town of Wrexham, just outside of which is a place called Lon y Bwbach Ddu, which translates as Lane of the Black Spectre, and is said to commemorate the Gwyllgi. In the 19th century, one Edward Jones was on his way home late in the evening on horseback from the village of Cynwyd near Corwen, Denbighshire. He described how he became aware that he was being stalked by a Gwyllgi. He described the apparition as the Black Hound of Destiny, a beast of fearsome visage and bloodshot eye. Paralysed with fear, he was unable to do anything but sit there and wait to be torn to shreds. But after some time with no attack forthcoming, he was able to turn around to discover that the beast had vanished. Such tales are not just confined to history. Reports of this nature still turn up in modern times, including police officers who claim to have seen such beasts roaming the Heraethog moors in Denbighshire. So, if you ever find yourself alone at night on a lonely country road in Wales, watch out for the Gwyllgi.